Imagine a world where maintenance is no longer a reactive scramble but a proactive strategy. That's the promise of a CMS, yet many see its setup as just extra work. Let's explore why. The initial setup of a CMMS might feel overwhelming, with data entry and asset registration. But this effort transforms maintenance from chaos to clarity, paving the way for long-term efficiency gains. Selecting a CMS isn't about the most features, it's about the right fit. Aligning the software with your company's processes ensures seamless integration and maximizes benefits. Before choosing, map out your maintenance needs. Understand how work requests are handled and what reports are essential. This clarity guides you to the perfect CMMS match. A CMMS revolutionizes daily routines, shifting from informal chaos to structured efficiency. Standardized work orders and real-time tracking become the new norm, enhancing team productivity. Key performance indicators, like preventive compliance rates, reveal the CMMS's impact. These metrics highlight improvements in maintenance operations, driving continuous enhancement. Readiness is crucial for CMMS success. Ensure asset data is complete and processes are defined. Without these fundamentals, implementation risks stall in. A readiness checklist can guide you. Confirm asset registers, documented procedures, and leadership commitment. These steps lay the groundwork for a successful CMMS rollout. CMMS projects often fail due to overambitious scopes and lack of engagement. Phased implementation and continuous training are key strategies to mitigate these risks. Involve technicians from the start. Their feedback and engagement are vital for success. A phased approach, starting with basic features, ensures gradual and effective adoption. Addressing concerns systematically transforms doubt into success. Preparation and user involvement are crucial. ManWinWin offers the tools and experience to overcome CMMS challenges. Ready to transform your maintenance strategy? Start by assessing your readiness and engaging your team. With the right approach, a CMMS can revolutionize your operations. Let's begin this journey together.